Hey and welcome, my name is Maddie and today we are going to be doing some block printing with Block Party and Join. I am going to take some inspiration from the side of this kit and flip it round and put it onto my tote bag. We are going to start by putting the paper inside of our tote bag to make sure that we've got a nice design all on one side. So I'm going to start with my red over here, put a nice little blob onto the ink plate. Lovely. I'm going to get the rubber brayer and spread it all across. Look at that. Beautiful. So we are going to grab the pink now, rub that all onto the ink plate. So I am going to grab this little block here and I'm going to start with the red ink and I'm going to do a bottom line across the bag into the ink, making sure that it's nicely covered. Give it a little knock to make sure that all of it is gone on. Nice reveal. Look at that! The first one is complete. I'm going to copy the exact same placement that I did for the first one and line it up with the ending of that bit. Give it a little knock again. Lovely. So I'm on the last squiggly line now of the first row. We've done it. So I'm going to start doing the second row in the pink colour, get it completely covered. Make sure it's all lined up. Lovely. So we have 2 more lines left and I am going to crack on and get them done. Look at that. So what I'm just going to do is get my paintbrush and go in and fill in any gaps that we missed. We're finished. I absolutely love this. This is so nice. And it matches my outfit. Come on.